So it might seem like just a luxury to have curtains that have little robots on them, but I don't have fancy curtain rods and I don't have electric curtains. But what I did get is this SwitchBot, which is made for curtain rods. They do make one for U channels as well, but we have curtain rods. And this is going to be powered by an app, and then what will happen is it's going to open and close the curtains when you're home, or here's the thing, when you're not home, and since it's powered by the app. So it's pretty simple to use. There's the little robot. You just put the there's a wheel on top here that drives, and then two other wheels that hold it up. Just kind of put it together using the parts here, and then you run it with the app. And now when you're not home, you can have the curtains move and be different, open, closed, whatever, halfway, while you're not there, maybe on a trip or just, out doing errands. So this works with lots of different home automation and works with lots of different curtain rods. Great security feature. Hope this helps.